Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing your data. Make sure your file is KML, KMZ, GeoJSON, or a CSV with clear latitude and longitude columns, because My Maps reads those formats directly. Once done, sign into your Google account and open Google My Maps. Creating a new map immediately scopes your import destination. Click Add Layer and choose Import to start. This directs the platform to ingest the file and map your points, which speeds validation and prevents mismatched columns later. After uploading, you must map fields carefully. Select the columns that contain latitude and longitude or the address field so My Maps can place features accurately. Then pick a title column to label each marker. This improves readability when you zoom. Next, style your layer by assigning icons, colors, or grouping by attributes to visually separate categories. Make sure to save after styling, because these choices determine how users interpret spatial patterns and relationships across your data. To finish, inspect the map for misplotted points and correct coordinate formatting or regeocode addresses if needed. Small errors in sign or column order cause big location shifts. Once satisfied, export the map or share it with collaborators and set view or edit permissions. If import fails, check UTF-8 encoding, ensure headers match expected names, and remove rows with missing or malformed coordinates. This common fix prevents silent skips and keeps your dataset intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.